I went broke. But honestly, it was the greatest money lesson of my life. Yeah, you heard me right. I blew it all. And in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how I moved from flat out broke into getting my life back on track, and how you can learn from my experience and apply fast ways to make money and achieve real financial freedom. So let me put the scene. A few years ago, I had deluded myself into thinking I was an expert. I was determined to get rich quick, investing in things I had no idea about, buying too much stuff I didn't need, and even messing around with some shady get-rich-quick schemes I read on the internet. It seems like I was earning tons of money overnight for a while, but it was all just an illusion. One bad decision gave rise to another. I maxed out all my credit cards, lost thousands on botched business venture, and even ventured into gambling, thinking that this was the way to wealth. Reality? I wasn't being taught how to get rich fast. I was taught how to lose fast, and then it hit me. I bottomed out. My bank account was zero, and I was broke. Embarrassed and in shock, scared. But this is when things change around. I stopped seeking shortcut and started building discipline. And I learned something powerful. Getting rich is not about how to get rich fast. It's about attitude, persistence, and building systems that work for you. This is what I did to rebuild. Number 1, mindset reset. I stopped looking for how to make fast money online and instead inquire, how do I acquire skill that lasts? I embarked on acquiring digital skills like editing, marketing, and yes, how to make money on YouTube. Second, several sources of income. I realized that one job or one side hustle would not cut it. I discovered how to make money online, from freelancing to affiliate marketing to even small side hustles that give me instant gratification. By the way, what's your favorite side hustle now? Let me know in the comments. I love to know how you're making money online fast. Third, consistency over excitement. Yes, it's difficult to stay excited about slow ways of earning money. But real success came when I stayed consistent, posting content regularly, reinvesting back into my business, and being disciplined produced more than overnight hack. So that's the reality I learned. 80% of money management is mindset and discipline, and 20% is income. You can master all the tricks on how to make money fast, how to make money online, or how to make money fast, but if you don't own your habits, you lose it in a snap. The wild part, the losing all that money actually ended up being my best thing because it taught me resilience. And resilience is the real key to financial freedom. Today, I want to hear from you. What's the toughest money lesson you ever had to learn? Share it in the comments, and I believe there's someone else who wants to hear it as well. And if you're serious about learning how to earn money quickly online, or even how to earn money on YouTube the right way, hang in there, because I'm about to drop step-by-step videos to help you build smarter, not riskier. If this video gives you value, like, subscribe, and put down a comment below with your number 1 financial freedom goal. Because if I can go from broke to building up, you can too.